Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the rules of divisibility. In mathematics, those rules are very useful if you have to do some factorization without a calculator. And today we are going to see the rules of divisibility for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Let's start with an easy one, the rule of divisibility by 2. So, all even numbers are actually divisible by 2. In other words, if the number last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, this number is divisible by 2. Let's see an example. I choose 58. The last digit is 8. It is an even number, so 58 is divisible by 2. And 58 divided by 2 is equal to 29. Now, let's see another one. If I try to divide 53 by 2, is it possible? So 53 has its last digit that is an odd number. So 53 is not divisible by 2. Okay, next one, the rule of divisibility by 3. So this one is a little bit more complicated. If you want to check if a number is divisible by 3, you have to add its digit, and if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, therefore the number is divisible by 3. Let's see a very quick example. I'm going to try 168. So first of all, I am going to add up its digit. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 8 equal 15. 15 is 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 168 is divisible by 3. And if I calculate 168 divided by 3, I'm going to get 56. Let's see another example. I'm going to try 58 divided by 3. I add 5 plus 8. This is equal to 13. 13 is 1 plus 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 58 is not divisible by 3. Next one, rule of divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are divisible by 4. So let's see an example. I'm going to try 524. I check the last two digits. This is 24. 24 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 524 is divisible by 4. 524 divided by 4 is equal to 31. Let's see another example. If I try 125, I'll check the last two digits. 25 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 125 is not divisible by 4. Okay, next one, rule of divisibility by 5. This one is easy. Any number that has its last digit equal to 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. Okay, so let's try this one. 520. Here, the last digit is 0, so 520 is divisible by 5. And 520 divided by 5 is equal to 104. Let's try another one. 625. here the last digit is 5, therefore 625 is divisible by 5, and 625 divided by 5 is equal to 125. If a number doesn't have its last digit equal to 0 or 5, it is not divisible by 5. Now, let's see for the rule of divisibility by 6. This one is a little bit complicated. Any number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Let's see an example. I'm going to try 270. So first, I check if it's divisible by 2. The last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 2. Okay? Now, let's see if it is divisible by 3. 270. I add 2 plus 7 equal 9. 9 plus 0 equal 9. So this is divisible by 3. As it's divisible by 2 and 3, therefore 270 is divisible by 6. So 270 divided by 6 is equal to 45. Let's see another one. I'm going to try 58. First of all, let's see if it's divisible by 2. The last digit is 8. This is an even number. Therefore, 58 is divisible by 2. Okay, now let's try if 58 is divisible by 3. 5 plus 8 equal 13. 13 is 1 plus 3 equal 4. 58 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 58 is not divisible by 6. Now, let's see the rules of divisibility by 7. So this one is a little bit complicated. So first of all, what you do, you cut off the last digit and you multiply it by 2. And then you subtract the rest of the number by the last digit multiplied by 2. Well, let's see an example. I'm going to try 91. So first of all, I cut off 1 and I multiply it by 2. 1 multiplied by 2 equal 2. I will use this result and I will subtract it to 9. 9 minus 2 equal 7. 7 is indeed divisible by 7. Therefore, 91 is divisible by 7. And if I divide 91 by 7, my quotient will be 13. Now, let's see the rules of divisibility by 8. Any number that has its last 3 digits divisible by 8 is divisible by 8. So let's see an example. I'm going to try to divide 5,128 by 8. I check the last digits. The last 3 digits is 128. Okay? 128 is indeed divisible by 8. If we divide 128 by 8, we got 16. Because 128 is divisible by 8, therefore 5,128 is divisible by 8. And 5,128 divided by 8 is equal to 641.